Amidst the tranquil shores of Charlotte County, Florida, where dreams take flight and projects bloom, Big Dawg Dumpsters emerge as your steadfast ally. When renovations whisper of transformation and garage cleanouts sing a song of new beginnings, we stand ready with our noble vessels of waste. Our vast and varied dumpsters await to cradle the remnants of your endeavors, ensuring every corner is pristine. With swiftness and grace, we deliver and retrieve, leaving you to bask in the glory of your labor. For the finest dumpster rental in Charlotte County, Florida, dial 743-244-3294 or visit our realm at www.bigdawgfl.com. In the dance of progress and the art of renewal, Big Dawg Dumpsters weaves a tapestry of ease and efficiency. Our gentle and robust service harmonizes with your needs, offering fair prices and unparalleled care. As guardians of the earth, we pledge to dispose of your burdens with a mindful heart, recycle where we can, and preserve our shared home's beauty. Let not the specter of waste mar your vision. Embrace the simplicity, elegance, and certainty of Big Dawg Dumpsters. Together, let us sculpt a cleaner, safer, more splendid project, hand in hand with the rhythms of nature and the spirit of innovation.